Coronavirus and the debt slave game. Hey, I just wanted to remind you all to keep your head on, keep your cool while all others about are losing theirs. Hey, got to thinking, a lot of people like myself have car loans, auto loans, and for, the last 20 years I've made my payment no problem. Well, with the shutting down of all these businesses and all related businesses and, at least for all you people that don't work indirectly or directly for the government that actually produce items, produce products and services, your business is not doing anything right now. So you're still driving a car that you might have a loan on and you can't make the payment. Well, here's how the debt slave game works. You could stop making a payment on the car. Oh, no, we can't do that. They're going to repo the car. No, they're not going to repo the car. The great threat is that they will repo the car. The truth is, if they started repoing cars after a month or two of people not paying, 10 to 25% of the cars out there that have loans on them would be repoed. And what would that do to the value of those cars in the secondary market? See, what do you mean the secondary market? The secondary market, these banks, they're not in the car business. They don't want the cars. They want your interest and your payments off your loan. So if they were to gather, let's just say they gathered up 25,000 Honda Accords and nobody's buying cars right now, how much do you think those $25,000 Accords are worth? Let's say the average debt on those cars is $18,000, the average payoff. They gather this 25,000 quantity of Honda Accords, they put them in the resale market, which is absolutely dead. That means they have to auction the cars off to like Manheim and the dealer networks. And these cars that maybe normally go for 16 to 20,000 now go for 8 to 12 because the market's dead. What's better for the bank, to take that car and auction it off and get 8 to 12,000, or to carry the loan and not have all the auction fees and just continue the loan but allow you to make 3 to 6 months of late payments or no payments? Well, the answer is pretty obvious, but this is how the game works. They much would prefer you miss 3 or 4 payments on your car than they are to repo it and sell it at a loss. Think about it. Let me know what you think in the comments.